Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which is related to React Native. I am building a travel application using React Native in Expo. I have opened my travel project on VS Code. Look into the VS Code. Before explaining problem and its solution, I have a request. Please consider to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this, which may help you or others in the future. Now let us get into the problem and its solution. In my project, I am using React Native picker /picker. As I already mentioned before, my React Native is in Expo. So I have already installed React Native picker /picker npm package. This is my command: npx expo install React Native picker /picker. I am specifying the latest version. At latest. Let me install the package. Look at here, I have installed it. Now let me run the project. By executing yarn expo start, I can run the project on my mobile device. Okay, when I check my mobile phone, I can see one drop down icon, one small icon. I can see any default value which I have already specified here in the picker. Monday, Sunday, Friday. My default value at initially Monday, but I cannot see anything on my mobile device. So how we can fix this problem? I can see my picker.item values. This Monday, Sunday, Friday. I can see a small drop down icon. Even that is not a clickable icon. If I click on it, nothing happens. So how we can solve this problem? The solution for this problem is to give style props to the picker. If I specify width 200, okay, now I can see Monday on my screen, mobile screen, Monday. If I click on it, I can see my picker.item. These values as drop down, Monday, Sunday, Friday. So if we face the same problem in this package, in this React Native picker /picker package in React Native Expo project, try to use this style props in the picker component. Style props, give a width, give some big value for width and make sure it is showing. Then you can adjust it based on your requirement. So once again, I have a request. Please consider to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this, which may help you or others in the future. Once again, for this problem, solution is give style props. It is applicable not only in Expo project but also in React Native CLA project. Make sure that provide proper width. If you give width 10, it may not show. If you give width 100, it may not show. I gave 200 width, so I can see it on my mobile screen. So make sure that you have given proper higher value for the width and adjust it later. Thank you once again.